After we recorded the last video about unfucking a workshop, Madeleine and me realized actually unfucking a workshop begins even before the workshop. And we collected 4 things on our workshop checklist for you that are key when it comes to preparing a workshop. So, the right teams. Design thinking is all about teamwork. When you want to solve a challenge, it's important to have the right people in your team to create a unique perspective. And for that, you need a team that is multidisciplinary and diverse. Multidisciplinarity, what does that mean? It means that you put people in a team that have been trained differently, that deal with different things in their day-to-day, that have had different experiences in their life because they come from different fields. They have a different way of approaching a problem. Diversity. Diversity is not only about interculturalism. It's also about gender diversity. Gender-balanced teams perform way better. Diversity in hierarchy is also very important. Diversity in age. Design thinking is not just for people that are young. What we have experienced is that since their personality have matured a lot, they are really brave, right? And they are eager to question the status quo. And they don't give a fuck about what anybody thinks of them. So that's great because they have a lot of power. So you have the challenge to reimagine the internal process in your company. Let's see how a well-balanced team for this challenge could look like. Okay, so let's get things started. At first you think, oh, it's probably an IT solution, right? Because all our internal processes have IT solutions that accompany them. So let's put the whole IT team together and let's ideate on that. And especially if they're only guys, this is not very diverse, right? So introduce gender balance, or at least one woman of the IT department to join. So that's better. But still, this team is very young. Also get a person that has been working in the company for a longer time. Ulla, for example. Okay, this looks better now. But still, this team is very single disciplinary, if that is actually a word. Right? So introduce people from different parts of the company to it. From HR or R&D. So you gain more perspectives. So, and if you want to collect bonus points for creating the perfect design thinking team, put Leah in it. She is a decision maker. So she can make sure that your project will be continued, that you can iterate your prototype after the first workshops. You can test in the field, that you will have an implementation plan afterwards. So, she's gold.